Mazda introduced the CX-90 2024. Mechanically, the CX-90, which will ultimately replace the current CX-9, offers a completely renewed and attractive offer. It can be delivered with a 3.3-liter inline six-cylinder engine which will be paired with a mild hybridization system. It will develop 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet on the condition of fueling it with premium gasoline. Everything will work together with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Hybrid engine. The catalog will also include a rechargeable hybrid engine. It will combine a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with an electric motor and a 17.8 kWh battery. It will develop a combined output of 322 horsepower and the same torque as the larger displacement. For his part, Antoine mentioned having been able to test this mechanism by driving the CX-90, which is not marketed in North America. We should expect an electric range of around 50 kilometers.